So I'm standing here waiting for the 519 MARC train to arrive to downtown Frederick. It'll be arriving coming from that direction off of my left shoulder here. And it'll be jumping off the spur to go into downtown Frederick. This is the B&O line that goes into Baltimore. And then there's that little junction right there. And then tomorrow morning, the train will be in reverse direction, taking people down, and it'll join the B&O line to go down to the different stops to drop people off. Out a new selfie stick called iSteady. I'm not sure it held the camera steady like my hands normally do, so I will keep using it. It does allow me to get away from the camera a little bit to get more of a panoramic view behind me, but I'll decide if I like it after a while. I'll use it a couple more times and see. Thanks for watching, and I do appreciate you watching my videos. Thanks.